What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just found the cutest little solar mushrooms. As you guys have been seeing in Dollar Tree, which is the sister store, we have been seeing lots of mushrooms for this fall's decor. I think we've previously seen it as part of summer decor, or I don't know, maybe these are just out a little late, but these are kind of cute if you love mushrooms. We have the red, the blue, and the yellow, and then we also have this green, and these are $3 each. My store manager let me know that she put out some new items, so I'm hoping to find those new items and share them with you guys. Believe all things are possible. How much are these? These are $3. We also have Find Blessings and Everything. Rejoice in the Lord always. Bless this home. Ooh, this is super pretty. This is pretty for any time of the year, if you ask me. This is $10. We also have it in sort of the gray-green patina, and this is like, I don't know, it feels like a wood. We have the little fall flower clip-ons. Those are $1.25 each. Okay, let's see if we can find some of the new seasonal items that she put out. I've been filming over here quite a bit. I love the 7-inch pumpkins. It looks like some of these are new. Yes, I'm spotting new Halloween items. $5, they're calling them floral pots. We have the $5 LED lanterns. These little metal trucks are also available in Dollar Tree Plus locations. The cute little $1.25 felt stickers. You get 16 in a bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have the start of some costumes, and they're just $5 each. The little accessory kits. We have the fairy, the bumblebee, the ladybug, and the butterfly princess. And then over here we have the devil in velvet and unicorn. $1.25. Black Hat Society. Not black cats, Black Hat Society. Welcome, come in for a spell. We have this welcome right here. Booty you. No, booty you. Grateful and Blessed. These are $5 each. We also have Welcome Fall. So Good to Be Home. These are really cute. So Good to Be Home. These are also $5. And then we have Hello Fall with a sort of greenish blue pumpkin. These metal stakes are $3 each. We also have this variety, the pumpkins, and then we have the Witch is In. Spooky creatures, the little rubber bats, the rubber spiders for $1.25, the little LED light up DIY decor. These are $3 each. With the witch. Let's see if we have any other themes. Oh, we have the vampire with the bats. Skeleton hands or skulls for $1.25. The deluxe makeup kits for $5. It's a pretty decent price. The $1.25 DIY decor. The ghost, the witch with the cauldron. We also have the jack-o'-lantern. We have the $1 Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos tumblers. We have Spooky for $3. Spooky. Oh, let's look at this. Ghouls just want to have fun. Ghouls just want to have fun. Yeah, you guys, my voice is a little messed up from my cold. This is a plastic light up pumpkin. We also have the light up ghost, $5, kind of a cute shape. And the light up skull, $15 for this 48-inch LED inflatable ghost. So those are some of the new items for Halloween. These are new also, trick or treat with the little beads. Those are $3. And then we have Happy Halloween with the little ghosts. Those are super cute. The Halloween wreaths. All of these items are going to be going on clearance very soon, is my guess. They're either going to be clearing it out, damaging it out, or they're going to be marking it down. And behind me, you guys, we have Halloween candy. I think they added the blow pops for $2.50. Ooh, the $5 bag of Sweet Tarts, Trolleys, Laffy Taffies, and Nerds for $5. I've been craving Nerds. I saw a commercial on YouTube. Of course, you guys, I was watching YouTube with my youngest son, and we saw a commercial and someone jumped into a ball pit and the colors were like pink and purple, and it just reminded me of Nerds, and I was like, I need to get some Nerds. This is so pretty. This is $5. Has a nice heavy container too. Let's see if we have any new fall makeup colors or new fall nails. These are $4.50. $4.50. These are, I'm not sure. These are the kids' ones. These are all $3. The nails, this one is somewhat jelly. These are just $3. It's the polish to touch up your nails. And it's the nails. And then we have this little set down here. And then we have these decals down here. These are all by LA Colors for $3 each. We have the cherries. These are $3. Salon Color. This is like a dark plum for $3. I love the idea of getting nails for just $3. These are $3.10. These are $3 from Kiss. And then all of their nail glue, let's see, $165. And then the brush on nail glue is $255. So we're seeing some really affordable prices for nail glue as well. Ooh, look at these. These are pretty. These are $4 from Kiss in the navy. Okay, maybe they're in the wrong place. I wonder if they're in the wrong place. It's Kiss Jewel. Okay, they're $6, you guys. $6. They're definitely new. We also have these pink ones for $6. The jelly for $6. These jelly for $6. And this pretty color for $6. That would be a nice fall color or anytime color. These are $2 each. Gel polishes. These up here, the pretty burgundies. When I think of fall, I think of colors like this. I really like colors like this in the fall. That and gray and just pretty warm colors. And they have a lot of lashes too. $2.50. 100% human hair lashes. $2.50 adhesive in black. Well, you guys, I think that's all I'm going to film in here for today. Thank you guys for coming along and checking out all the new items with me here in Family Dollar. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.